Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can find bug report in developer tools. Okay, for that guys you have to first enable developer tools. So once you go to developer options, there are many things: USB debugging, revoke USB debugging, go back down. So bug report shortcut will be there. Show the button in the power menu for taking a bug report. So bug report is nothing but a snapshot of device system. It will be generated as zip file. Basically, it's a snapshot of your device system. Okay. So now let me enable it. Now the color you can see it is little different. Okay. To to make sure the bug report is generated, you have to try to switch off your device. I'm trying to switch off my Samsung mobile. Now I'm trying to switch it off, so I'm getting these options: power off, restart, emergency SOS, medical info. I'm clicking on this bug report, which is down bottom of the page. Clicking on it. Now you can see bug report is being prepared. Okay. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.